What's up, guys? Welcome back to Financier Pro YouTube channel. Please subscribe, comment below. Today I want to talk about Amazon. Amazon is rolling out cashless. Well, you already probably know about the cashless grocery stores Amazon have in Seattle as a pilot program, but they also are rolling out smart shopping carts, which you won't need a cashier in the grocery store. You will have a cart where you put your groceries in there or scan it, and it automatically goes to your Amazon account, things like that. So let's jump right into it, guys. Amazon has created a smart shopping cart that knows what you're selecting and can charge you for it without a cashier. And this is coming from all the major publishing companies like USA Today, New York Times. And this is crazy because a lot of you guys are getting ready to not have a job. Automation is coming. I don't know if you know about it, guys, but automation is coming. Get ready for it. I hope you are planning for it. So it's called the Amazon Dash Cart, and the idea is to make a grocery trip even quicker by allowing you to skip the checkout line. So the e-commerce giant said in a post on Tuesday, the Dash Cart largely looks like a typical shopping cart, only bulkier at the bottom. So patrons will use their Amazon account unique QR code to sign in to the cart, according to a video company posted on its website. So then you can add your shopping bags to the cart and proceed to shop around the store. So the buggy uses computer vision and sensors to identify which groceries you've selected, and upon exiting the store's designated dash cart lane, sensors will identify the cart and charge the credit card linked to your Amazon account. This is so amazing on their end because of innovation, but on the end of jobs, see ya. And I bet they already have their internet cashless grocery stores as well. So the high-tech shopping cart is meant for small to medium-sized groceries, but eventually they will expand that for sure. Let's see. Since 2016, the online giant has implemented technology that eliminates these for cashiers and checkout lines at the Amazon Go grocery stores. Like I said, the pilot programs that started in Seattle, home of Amazon. Let's see. Dash Card will be launched at the Amazon grocery store in Woodland Hills, California later this year. So basically, the COVID-19 pandemic has escalated innovation for automation. So they are looking for ways to save money and make money at the same time, just like what they're doing with these 18 wheelers and different other things. So you guys, please comment below. I hope you guys are planning when automation takes over. I know universal basic income has been a major headline because of the automation and jobs, sort of say. And like Andrew Yang said that he wanted to tax technology to pay for universal basic income. So you guys comment below. What do you think about this? This is the Amazon Smart Cart. It's called a Amazon Dash Cart. I call it the Smart Cart, like a smart car. But get ready, guys, because it's coming. Driverless cars are coming. One day we will have it. So you guys comment. Please subscribe. See you next time on Financier Pro.